What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I go head to head with a subscriber in a 5-minute design challenge. So guys, before we get started with the video, I would just like to quickly thank bookmark.com for sponsoring the video. If you don't know already, Bookmark is hands down one of the easiest and coolest website builders out there, letting you create your own personal website, whether that be a design portfolio or an online store, in the matter of minutes. It uses an AI website builder, which means you can create a site with no technical knowledge. If this does interest you, make sure you head over to bookmark.com and you can find more information on how to get started there. As many of you may already know, the 5-minute design challenge is a heavily requested video on my channel. I've done a few in the past, as well as that I've also done some other design challenge videos. If you are interested in checking any of those out, the playlist will be linked in the description down below so you can see those videos. Anyways, with this 5-minute design challenge, there are 2 twists, okay? Not just one, but 2. Now I know you're already typing in the comments, James, what is the twist? Why will this be harder than any normal design challenge? Now, obviously I've only got 5 minutes to make a banner, so that's hard enough. However, this time is going to be like a design battle, as I'm going head to head against a fellow subscriber called Cameron. Of course, within the 5-minute design challenge, you will be able to see both mine and Cameron's perspective. I will then showcase the final designs we create at the end of the video, and you guys can vote as to who you believe the winner of the challenge is using the comments below. And as for the second twist, okay, we are completely banned from using the internet during this challenge. In order to help us create the designs, we are going to be using my new 50k graphics pack, out now by the way, over on my store, the link's below. This is going to be a massive lifesaver, and to be fair, we don't actually really need the internet anyway, because the pack has most stuff in it. Anyways, I've rambled on way too much, okay? Let's go ahead and meet Cameron and begin this challenge, okay? Wish me luck. So guys, as you can see, I'm over on my computer now. I'm joined with my fellow subscriber Cameron. Say hello.
Hey.
My guy. Alright, so I've went through the rules at the start of the video, but I will explain them quickly now, just so you know. We have 5 minutes to create a design. In this case, it's going to be a header design, purely because the sizing is just a lot better than like a YouTube banner, for example. And yeah, you're not allowed to use the internet, so everything's got to be done inside Photoshop. And as well as that, you are allowed to use my 50k pack, which I believe you have already, don't you?
Yeah.
I've got the timer on my phone, 5 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually really nervous. I don't know about you.
Yeah, can't lie, yeah.
Yeah, so without further ado, I won't waffle too much. We are going to begin. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, timer has now started. Don't know why I'm doing that. Back to the 50k pack. Luckily enough, I do know my way around this pack quite good.
I know it pretty well.
You what?
I know it pretty well.
Yeah, I mean, it hasn't even been out for too long, but
I use it quite a bit.
When was it you got it?
The day after it came out.
Wait, that's what I like to hear. Alright, so stock 11. This is looking good. Oh, I've just exposed which stock I'm using now.
Stock 21, that's a nice one.
Alright, we're just gonna get straight on with the text. No messing about. This font actually looks alright, to be fair, the one that I've already got. I'm actually going to run through. See, look how helpful this is. I can look through the fonts in my pack.
That's a shout.
I think this one might work. Alright, yeah, we're going to stick with that. I was going to say the font as well then. Well, I mean, it's not like you're going to steal it, but... Alright, let's go with that. I'm just going to type your name. It doesn't honestly matter what you type, by the way.
Alright, cool.
So let's go with that. Honestly, it makes it so scary when I look at the countdown.
Oh,
I just
yeah,
realize there's literally no time to do this. Alright, so we'll whack a layer style on this. I don't really want to add too much of a complex layer style. We'll go with something like that. Thing is see,
I've got some saved that might work. I think I've got some from your 80s pack that I used.
I can't remember when I released that. The 80s pack. That was on like a
year ago.
One of my tutorials. You've been sub for a while, haven't you?
Yeah, about 3 years, 4 years.
My guy, that is dedication right there. How long has it you've been designing for in total?
Probably that long as well. 3 years, 4 years in January. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's almost as long as me.
Oh yeah, you started in.
when
did you start? 2016.
I'm taking way too long with this. We need to get a move on here.
You started in 2016, right?
Yeah, I actually don't know the exact year, but I just know it's been over 5 years that I've been designing.
Yeah, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty long.
A long time. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go with a color because it's gonna make the text stand out a lot more than the default color that was there. We're gonna add some smoke. All right, 2 minutes, just over 2 minutes on the timer left. I feel like I've done more in a minute than I did in the first 3 minutes, in the first 2. All right, whack this on color dodge. That hasn't really done much. We will add more. Okay, that's looking nice. Maybe reduce the smoke a bit. Don't want too much of it. The hardest part of designing is ideas. So when it comes to like a 5-minute design challenge, it's so stressful.
It's basically impossible.
Exactly. Alright, we'll go with something like that for the text. I don't know what this is going to look like. This is just an idea that I have. Alright, we have a minute 30 left, basically.
Oh god, okay.
This is stressful. This is very stressful.
Okay, hold on. A minute 30. I
don't know whether that looks good. Does that look good, boys? I don't know. Alright, let's go back.
I can work with some CCs for the last minute. It's gonna load.
CCs would be a shout. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's go and cut that from there to there.
Shadows.
This doesn't really make sense having it like this, but I mean we will rock with it. I don't want too much space in the background where it's just obviously the background. Hence why I'm trying to fill it up with stuff.
I need to add some more. Oh crap.
Jeez, the time. Alright, it's already under a minute now.
Oh, good. Okay, I can make this.
I haven't even got to CCs yet. Oh no.
Okay, yeah, that works. That looks 80s-ish.
Let's get rid of that.
Okay, let's duplicate it.
28 seconds left.
Okay, I can do this. Filter.
I don't know if I can.
Liquefy. Okay.
Let's add some of this here. Liquefy. What are you doing, mate?
I'm doing bits, mate.
Liquefy tool. 12 seconds. I was gonna add CCs. Alright, it's gonna have to be a default CC that I have. Yes. You're allowed to finish what you're doing before when the timer ends, because the timer's ended now.
Okay, I'm gonna finish this.
I'm just gonna finish with a default CC. It's slightly cheating. There we go.
It's only gonna. Frick.
Okay, this is what we've got. And this really isn't much at all. Are you happy with your design?
It's alright.
I'm not gonna lie, I could probably create this in 2 minutes if I already had the idea.
Yeah, same.
But it's because I spent so long just like, I tried like some text effect where I had it in the background, it just didn't work. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've got Cameron's on the screen right now. You guys have seen him create it, also mine as well. So you can vote in the comments down below as to which one you prefer. Of course, just remember that this challenge is a lot harder than you think. I mean, until you can back me up on this, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Until you
hard.
actually do this, you don't realize how hard it is. Anyways, that is it for the 5-minute design challenge. Please remember this is a lot harder than it looks, so please don't cook me in the comments. Big thank you once again to my subscriber Cameron for competing against me in this video. His links will be down below. As always, if you did go on to enjoy the video and you would like to see more design challenges like this in the future, I mean, who knows, it could be you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like, that would be much appreciated, and as I said, it will show me that you want to see more videos like this in the future. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Also, if you are interested in improving your Photoshop skills, then make sure to check out my design store. Over there, you will be able to get your hands on the 50k pack that we used during this video to help us, so make sure to check that out if you are interested. And yes guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you did go on to enjoy. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace. I've went through the rules at the start of the video, but I will explain them.
Looking at my drip, looking at your drip. Mommy, look at me.